Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to save posts to specific collections on Instagram. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give our video a like and don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel for more. So let's choose a post we want to save. For example, this one. And the way to save a post is to click on the ribbon icon on the right corner of the post. So let's do that now. And now the post is saved. If you want to choose a specific collection, you can just hold the ribbon and save it to a already made collection, or by tapping on the plus sign, you can make a new collection. For example, winter. Now let's click done. And the way to access those posts is to go to your profile, then click on the three lines at the right corner and go to saved. Now those are your collections and the posts inside them. If you want to remove a post from collection, you can just click on the ribbon again and choose remove from collection or remove from saved. If you remove it from saved, it will be automatically removed from the collection as well. And that's basically it. If you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe to our video and like for more videos just like this. See you in the next one. Bye.